All right, what are we working on today? This is a 57 Speedster. We're gonna try to get the motor in today. And we're gonna put the axle boots on down there. And fill up the tranny with the new mounts. We gotta work on the steering and the rag joint we gotta do. And get this baby back in the road in her former glory. Here we go, guys. 59 Caddy convertible. That's what we're working on. What to say? Let's say we got to tear it down. Fix the windshield, chrome, repaint, full new interior. A lot of goods to be done. Oh, and then fit an LS3 in it with new trans and Art Morrison chassis, and make it look like a stock 59 Caddy from 30 feet away. How's that sound? So, yeah, plenty to do and keep busy. Okay, here we go. Got some OE Honda parts here for the 92 build. Just got the frame back. Looking pretty stellar. Good old Miller powder coating. Did a good job on our copy of our Doc Wob build. He did some kind of cool stuff, so we're going to do the same thing here, but we're going to keep it pretty much 92 with a little custom flare. Got the new motor back from our builder buddy Grant. Looking good, so we're going to try to put this thing in today. Get our KTM 360 all done. Get her fit in there on the bike. And get this thing out of the way, and then we'll move on to some other exciting stuff, like organizing the garage, which it needs heavily. Dale would be ashamed. For those who wanted to see it, this was the 97 KTM 360 that we got from some freaking head sitting alongside his house, all out. Full rebuilt motor with new rod and crank, all balanced from Crankworks in Arizona. Had to get the rod from KTM in Austria. They actually had one, or some guy had one on the shelf in Poland. Put an SC2 carb on there, had it anodized with the KTM orange. As Doc Wob would say, it looks like a Harley. Well, he's right, but that's what we do. That's our spin in Cali. We do things different, so. But you know, it's a unique, different looking bike. We like the FMF decals. Everybody's always liked FMF since I was a kid. So yeah, rebuilt calipers. Colin at Fast USA did the killer wheels for us. Used the stock rear hub, and then up front, yeah, we went with the original old KTM orange, kind of a throwback. Reversed it, and then everything else blacked out. Little custom stuff. Just fun stuff. Hose is really tough to get. Had to clean and use some of the original hoses. Are just unavailable. You know, 97. There's just not a lot of stuff. Tried even getting a clear tank from this back in New York who took my money and never did anything, so I canceled that order. Yeah, the silencer, couldn't get a silencer to fit, so I had to polish up this and make it work and fit the front FMF one. New radiators. Just couldn't take a chance with the old ones. Gas on. Choke very hard to get on back there. All right, let's fire up the old machine here.